This video will show you how to install the Ramset Trakfast lath adapter to your Ramset Trakfast TF1200 tools so you can add lathing discs when you're installing lath. Simple operation. First off, we're going to take off our magazine and set that aside. And then I'm going to show you a little set screw here that's a T15 Torx. We're going to need to remove that so we can remove the old probe. And so we'll loosen that up. I try not to take it all the way off so I don't lose the screw. Once you do that, you take the lathing disc probe, put that in position, and tighten that screw back up. And you want to test to make sure that you indeed grabbed it. There's a little slot that the screw rides in on the probe, so we can tell that that's seated. Then we can replace our magazine. Oops. Doing this upside down, so bear with me. We get our magazine set back in there, and now you're set up to put lathing disc probes on with your Trakfast TF1200 tool. You can find the probe, the lathing discs, the tool, fuel cells, everything you need online at constructionfastening.net.